Bullish swipe cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.26 and $2.38 by 2030. Market experts accept SXP could reach 97 cents by 2025. Bearish swipe market cost expectation for 2023 is 22 cents. Swipe presentation. The cryptographic money market has become very aggressive yet has developed greatly as additional organizations take on the utilization of computerized monetary standards in their day-to-day business and speculations. SXP has areas of strength for yet it is viewed as an unstable resource by numerous financial backers as they move most of their possessions to a more steady cash. Notwithstanding, SXP intends to be a completely decentralized resource after its securing by Binance, which ends up being a promising improvement for the convention. Be that as it may, in this piece, we assess the conceivable outcomes of Swipe recapturing its forward movement before very long by investigating the center basics of the undertaking, ongoing turns of events, specialized cost examination, and an intricate perspective on SXP cost estimates from digital money specialists. What is Swipe? Swipe or Sun-based organization is a local area-driven decentralized stage to make a biological system where organizations or people can produce charge cards upheld by cryptographic money and cultivate a simple installment experience. Swipe is work to go about as a scaffold between installment organizations and crypto trades. They intend to empower genuine administration inside the organization with solid local area cooperation and use the designated verification of stake agreement instrument to keep a proficient and powerful blockchain convention with many highlights. This made the convention one of a kind and not quite the same as the other blockchains endeavors as it keeps turning on current innovation. The Swipe network awards clients an exceptionally protected system to get to near 150 digital forms of money in more than 70 million locales as a vehicle of exchange and installment. The local badge of the convention. The SXP token is a flexible coin that serves many capabilities inside the organization like administration and marking rewards, multi-chain exchanges, on-chain and off-chain installments, and so on. The symbolic aids in taking care of handling and exchange expenses, a method for deciding on the convention for updates and initiative, openness to the Ethereum and Binance Shrewd chain, and is likewise valuable in card issue charges. One of the exceptional highlights of Swipe is the special programming interface and lock include that permits the client to report a taken or lost card, which is gone to quickly work the client gains another card. Sunlight-based organization was gained by Binance in 2020 and stretched out its component to help the change of NFTs, advanced resources, and digital forms of money to fiat at a state-of-the-art transformation rate. Swipe current cost. Swipe is presently worth 27 cents USD. SXP has moved 0.31% as of now with an exchanging volume of $11,105,664. Swipe is presently positioned 163 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $154,336,776 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Swipe to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Swipe market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Swipe Value Forecast 2023. Swipe, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The SXP cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 41 cents. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 39 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. SXP is supposed to have a base worth of 33 cents. Swipe Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Swipe SXP cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of SXP will before long outperform 69 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the SXP's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, SXP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 55 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 61 cents. Swipe Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 97 cents and SXP might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. SXP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 89 cents and a low of 83 cents in 2025. Swipe Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that Swipe effectively supports market opinion among digital currency aficionados, The SXP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SXP will be green in 2026. The SXP is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $1.26, with a base cost of $1.12 and a typical cost of $1.17. Swipe value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the SXP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.45 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.40 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, SXP has a greatest value worth of $1.54. Swipe value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.73. On the off chance that SXP figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $1.82. Neglecting to assemble the help SXP needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $1.68. Swipe value forecast 2029. While SXP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $1.96 and a yearly cost close above $2.10 in 2029. Swipe value expectation 2030. By 2030, Swipe will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $2.24 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $2.38, averaging out at $2.29. Swipe value forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest SXP cost in 2031 is projected to be $2.74 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $2.63. And, starting from the formation of Swipe, it has been supported by numerous ventures due to its flexible utility, and the designers keep elevating the money to construct a wide organization in the computerized universe of installment. Be that as it may, the potential financial backer is encouraged to be refreshed about the advancements on the organization as they do all necessary investigation prior to money management. What is the Swipe cost today? Today, Swipe is exchanging at 27 cents with a complete market capitalization of $154,336,776. Is Swipe a wise venture? Swipe ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year.